Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Subaru Impreza in a blue exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice lighten your tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black cloth, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 13 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 9 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black cloth interior will stay the same. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle. It will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 65,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your dash brightness as well as your traction control. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your headlight options as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your audio options as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as a storage area with a 12-volt plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top, you will have your lighting options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 2.0L H4F SOHC16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have several stone chips. You will have a couple scratches here above the front passenger side door handle. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have several scratches, as well as a couple chips. You will have a couple scratches here behind the rear passenger side door. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the front driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches here above the door handle, as well as a couple chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2019 Subaru Impreza in a blue exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.